they have the only area which is get damaged is the floor. The floor is frequent, they need a frequent maintenance to the floor because that get deteriorated due to the movement of the traffic, movement of the trolleys with the heavy traffic. That's the reason why there was some need of the product which can prevent these damages. And I have developed a chemical, if that is used in the concrete in a proper ratio, the surface becomes very hard, very tough, very highly abrasive resistant, and it doesn't extend the damages also in case of any damages due to any reason at one particular place. Suppose if anything has got damage at one particular place, we have developed a product such it will not extend the damages. It can be rectified one place, and it is a very excellent product which is to be used in the industry, and it is very economical.
Is it necessary that all the buildings should have waterproofing?
Yeah, waterproofing is necessary for all buildings, right from the basement to the rooftop, including water tanks.
Is it expensive?
No, if it is at right time, if it is done, at the time of a construction, if it is done, it is not at all expensive. It is very economical.
Could you please tell the cost of it?
See, the cost varies from system to system. Basement to the roof. Basement has a different cost because there a lot of materials are involved. The type of water pressure has to be studied. And on the roof there is a standard system which has been developed, which is incomparable with any conventional method. It may be slightly different of, you say, 5 to 10% higher side, but durability wise it's a permanent solution. Developed by me, it's a permanent solution.
Could you please tell the name of the product you are manufacturing?
So we manufacture Stop Leak, RBX, RB Flintine, RB Bond. These are our very few products which we are manufacturing, I told you. And apart from there are many products which we manufacture according to the requirement of the client.
What is the secret behind your success?
See, hard workmanship and sincerity is the only secret. I have been working with my laborers. Even today I work with my laborers if it is required. I have trained my boys, and today I am confident of my boys, and my laborers are my backbone to my success.
Did you get any other award other than doctorate award?
Yeah, once I was given Vikas Ratna award by an institute of Delhi-based institute. They have given me. They have studied my development of the product, and then they have given a Vikas Ratna award. And because I involved in a lot of social activities, I was given a Priyadarshini award.
How do you feel after getting this doctorate award, and you have the confidence of getting this award?
Well, it's a nature. Anybody getting anything, they feel happy. I also feel happy.
How your family members are encouraging, cooperating with you?
Definitely they are very, very highly cooperative. That is the reason why I have come to the stage.
Can you give in detail about waterproofing, that the viewers can understand what is waterproofing and what are the advantages of waterproofing and what are the disadvantages for not using the waterproofing?
See, waterproofing is a very important subject, as well as waterproofing is a very important use in the building. If I tell you, if anything is guaranteed in the building, is only waterproofing. The building is guaranteed by a contractor for a year. Electrical, no guarantee. If when we do the waterproofing, people say how many years guarantee you are going to give us. It ranges from 5 years to 10 years. So the only guaranteed thing in the building is the waterproofing. So it has to be a very effective system. So I feel waterproofing should be done correctly. Now I will tell you something about waterproofing, why it is required and what are the advantage and disadvantage of the product. See, we have developed certain chemicals to the requirement of the building, suitable to our Indian climatic condition. As earlier also I told you, we have not manufactured any product with any collaborations, because the collaboration which has been taken place, the product which has been used, I remembered I have used the material which was failed in Bangalore and which was successful in Bangalore and failed in Ooty. Because the climatic condition in Bangalore and Ooty differs. The temperature in the morning will be 4 degree, in the afternoon it will be 25 degree. So the difference of 25 to 20 degree, that affects the product which is used. So considering all that in mind, I have developed certain things. I will tell you. See, we start with the basement waterproofing. First, when you start a construction of a building, at places you see that there is a subsoil water is coming out. It becomes a big problem for you, how to stop the water, because you can't fight with the water, air and the fire. One has to be very cautious to take care of with these people. So, with the basement waterproofing, we have to use certain chemicals which helps the cement to set faster. Only if the cement sets faster, it will affect the water pressure. It will slow down the water pressure. It is not going to stop it. That is one chemical which is called as RBX. This accelerates the cement setting time. Then we use a material in the concrete which is called as RB Stoplick, RB Polymer and RB Flintine. These are the three materials which we use in a concrete, and we put a layer of the concrete on in the basement after regular structure is constructed. With these chemicals, RB Stoplick makes the concrete totally non-porous. See, RBX is used to accelerate the setting time of the cement. By using this material, the cement setting is fastened and it sets. So this prevents water pressure inside. Then after this is used at the time of the structural construction itself. And after the structural construction is over, we go with a waterproofing system that is called as a RB Denmex concreting. We have a system called as a Denmex concrete. Denmex concrete is a combination of RB Stoplick, RB Polymer and RB Flintine. Here RB Polymer gets into our system and makes the whole surface water repellent. It takes care of the water pressure inside, makes the concrete homogeneous, it makes the concrete very hard. RB Stoplick prevents, it seals the porosity in the concrete and it doesn't allow water to come inside. Then we come to RB Flintine. RB Flintine is a material which is in the form of the small grains that enters into this all porosity of the concrete and makes the concrete totally dense, and it becomes like a solid material which can stand the water pressure. Basement, the biggest thing is this: in the roof the water comes from the top, whereas in the basement the water comes from the bottom. The water which is coming from the top, the pressure is known to us, but water which is coming from the back pressure, we don't know the pressure. So for this we have to formulate a system which should withstand the highest pressure from the back. So this system, Denmex concrete, has been formulated in that way that it will withstand the back pressure. And with my experience and the places where we have done, till today we have not found any leakages, no basement has been failed, but we are fighting with the nature. So water pressure, if say people sometimes we hear that we never had a rain for last 100 years like this, in that cases there is a possibility, cannot be ruled out if there is any dampness or anything takes place, but they are well in the range of rectification. They are not totally failure. So the product which is used by us, it is, as on today, it is 100% successful, and I have been using the material as a waterproofing material for the basement. It has been, my Denmex concrete has been 100% successful. Then we come to the upper level. In multi-story buildings, there are sunken areas for the bathrooms, for the kitchens. Those areas also required to be attended with the waterproofing system. There we have a system called as a Fermex concrete, or we can give a polymer coating. There are two systems can be adopted. Polymer concrete will not allow the water to go inside, and it has a limited life. But if you go with the Fermex concrete, it can be covered the whole system with a layer of about 1.5 inches, which is going to permanent solutions. And this is required to have a permanent solution because you can't every time you can't break the toilet fittings, you can't break the commodes, you can't break and get into a lot of expenses, lot of inconvenience to the people staying there. So it is a must for the building owners to take special care for the sunken areas. Now then we go up to the roof. In the roof, the total roof has to be done a waterproofing. If it is a normal roof, no expansion joints come in the picture. But if it is a larger roof, there is a joint which joins two buildings, because technically when the building has to be constructed, up to a certain extent you can have one building. After that you have to have a joint which is called as an expansion joint, and there are two buildings which are joining like this. One building is here, one building is